SpecialTV Journal. The dismantling of the third and last temporary auxiliary bridge, used for the project Approach Ring South, the renovation of part of the ring road of the Groningen, Netherlands.
On Thursday the 28th of March, the orange auxiliary bridges in Groningen, the Netherlands, were dismantled. The temporary rented retro bridge was built to replace the old Juliana Bridge in the city of Groningen. That evening, the parts above the railweg were removed and loaded onto special transport combinations from El Joexalto Transport. The lifting of the bridge sections was executed by a mobile crane from Sarens, which was constructed and extended using a superlift. This is a construction in which the crane has been designed to lift a substantial construction at a considerable lifting distance. Before the start of the job, the superlift superstructure was mounted to the crane with the help of a mobile crane from Wagenborg. The project to renovate the southern ring road of the city of Groningen is known as Approach Ring South. The Hereport Contractor Consortium is accountable for the execution of the project and comprises Bu Bedrijf Max Bugel, Bu Onderneming Sublin, Oosterhof Holman Civil Engineering, Stoop Dijkstra Infra, Roelofs Road Construction, Jansma Drakten Road, and Concrete Construction. The objective of the project is to enhance the capacity of a 12-kilometer route within the vicinity of Groningen. The contractor combination faced a challenge when creating a temporary route. They had to build an auxiliary bridge to allow traffic to continue during the construction of the new Julianaplein. The bridge was the largest temporary one in the Netherlands. The elements of the retro light bridge are 10.5 meters by 3 meters in size, as well as elements of 13.5 meters by 3 meters in size. Due to the available maximum span of 34.5 meters, the Hereport contractor combination chose a retro light bridge. The support bridge was originally planned to be used until the summer of 2024, but it was no longer necessary and was therefore demolished. This was done in order to complete the new connections on Julianaplein. The current support bridge is the last of the 3 support bridges installed by Retro Bridge for the Hereport combination in the city of Groningen as part of the Approach Ring South project.
SpecialTV Journal.